How to use aloe vera for constipation. Aloe vera is a green plant that has a dark appearance and a transparent gel that is used as a balm for various purposes, including burns, flesh wounds, and constipation. Aloe vera for constipation. This is a very uncomfortable condition that occurs when stools spend a long time in the large intestine, causing very slow digestion and a lot of discomfort. Some of these discomforts are inability to defecate for many days, abdominal pain, colitis, nausea, and many more. Some factors that provoke this illness are stress, not drinking enough liquids, an absence of dietary fiber, excessive use of laxatives or pharmaceutical products, changes in hormones or habits, etc. For these cases, aloe vera, also known as aloe, is a remedy that is mainly used for constipation because the plant has laxative properties that help empty the intestine naturally, according to scientific studies. Preparation. To prepare the remedy, you should first rinse the plant with cold water, cut it in half with a sharp knife, and remove its thorny parts. Next, extract the transparent gel that contains the laxative properties and put it in the blender. The gel should be processed once it is extracted because once it makes contact with the air, it tends to harden quickly. If you want to improve the substance, you can add a little bit of citric juice to the blender, lemon, grapefruit, or orange. This mixture should be kept in the refrigerator to keep its properties intact for a week at the most. However, the preparation is the most concentrated the first 2 or 3 days. How should I drink it? You should drink 2 or 3 ounces of aloe juice daily, preferably on an empty stomach so it doesn't mix with food or drinks you have consumed. You should take 2 tablespoons of this mixture and stir in a glass of water or, if you prefer, any kind of fruit juice. Depending on the case, if it is chronic, aloe vera can be consumed every day in different ways without abusing it, because anything in excess can have side effects. It should be noted that this remedy is not suitable for pregnant women, people that have a diabetes or thyroid or kidney diseases. In these cases, you can only maintain a diet rich in fiber and vitamins. Recommendations. Once you experience symptoms of constipation, like the presence of flatulence, gas, and abdominal pain, it is extremely important to see your family doctor or specialist so they can review your case and give you a proper diagnosis. Apart from that, drinking a lot of water and changing your lifestyle is recommended. They suggest that you modify your dietary habits, especially by adding to the amount of fiber you consume. This is a huge help to digestion, as well as continuing to exercise and improve your metabolism. Remember aloe vera is a plant with a multitude of beneficial properties for your health. As we already mentioned, it is a digestive, helps clean your colon, and regulates your stomach functions. Its proper preparation and conservation is important and necessary so that it can help you in the best way possible when you drink it. If you experience any reactions, like diarrhea or cramps, you should stop taking it for at least 3 days and then continue it in small doses 3 times a day, before every meal or a lot of it after eating. This will definitely help relieve yourself naturally and control uncomfortable constipation.